The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. Shelter in place immediately. I repeat, shelter. You're listening to the Emergency News Network, where we broadcast the news, music, sports, events, and other things. Tonight, it's going to be pretty foggy tonight, so you all might want to get inside because it will be very hard to see in the fog, especially in the dark. So yeah, just get indoors as soon as possible. But for now, let's play this awesome jam right here. It called Blank, by Disfigure, from No Copyright Sounds. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. At around 10 p.m. Eastern Time, reports came in about dark fog entering areas with a lot of light, which then a blackout occurred a few seconds after the fog entering the city of New York. This is pretty unusual, but the fog is considered very deadly, as everyone in the city of New York has died by being caught in the fog. This is already turning into a dangerous situation. As a result of this fog randomly coming to New York City, all residents across the United States are ordered to evacuate the city immediately, as staying in the city will equal death. It is guaranteed. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this dangerous. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. The fog that was first reported in New York City half an hour ago is beginning to spread to other areas across the state of New York. Evacuation orders are now being put into place for the areas that will soon be affected by this fog. Nobody has a clue about how this fog formed and where it came from, but at this time, all residents in the state of New York are now ordered to evacuate the state immediately. The fog is expected to continue spreading, but cannot be confirmed at this time. As a precaution, evacuate as far from the state of New York as possible. Stay tuned to this station for more information and updates on this dangerous situation.
There's nothing to worry about. It's safe to go outside. The fog is totally fine. I'm sorry. Did I scare any of you guys? Well, I'm perfectly fine. I won't hurt any of you. However, I will be seeing you shortly. I will. And you will regret running away from me. You will regret it all.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. The fog has spread all across the northeastern United States, and is continuing to spread in other areas. Reports came in about people experiencing jump scares and then died instantly. Wait, we are losing signal for some reason. What is going on? Everyone, continue to evacuate the eastern United States. What the heck? The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. The fog has spread throughout the eastern, mountain, and central United States. Many people have been jump scared, then died instantly due to instant shock that kills you somehow. It is believed that a demon of some sort is inside the fog, and is causing all these jump scare deaths to occur. It is 1 a.m. Eastern Time right now, so this night will be lasting for a while, especially because it's 3 days from Halloween. Sunrise is expected to occur at around 6:30 a.m. Eastern Time, which is like 5 hours and 30 minutes away from now. As a result of the fog spreading across the eastern, mountain, and central United States, jump scares will be occurring to humans in these areas. If you are anywhere near these areas, evacuate as soon as possible. If you are stuck in the fog, you are dead. The CDC is now in the process of trying to figure out what the heck is in this fog that making all these people die by getting jump scared. Gosh, this is very scary. Hopefully the fog DOES and spread anywhere else. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. The fog has spread into the western United States, or Pacific United States. Many deaths have occurred as a result of this nightmare. It is 2 a.m. Eastern Time right now, so we got another 4 hours and 30 minutes of this nightmare left. The CDC is so far unsuccessful to figure out the cause of this fog and its jump scares to occur. As a result of this fog spreading nearly across the entire United States, the fog has also spread across the Atlantic Ocean. Reports from Europe and Africa are already coming in about fog in the area, killing anyone caught inside the fog. There have been no reports about people escaping the fog alive. The jump scare would catch them right before they even moved. This is a very life-threatening situation, and the CDC, along with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, and the United States government is trying to figure out a solution to this crisis. The United Nations are declaring emergencies in the areas that will soon be affected by the fog. Evacuation orders are being put into these areas as well. 911 services will not be available to help you. Everyone in the United States is now advised to evacuate the country immediately. If you choose not to evacuate, you will have no chance of surviving this disaster. Try your best to evacuate and rely on your own methods. There will be nobody there to help you, sadly. Rely on your own methods. We interrupt your programming. This is a global emergency. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Our world is slowly coming to an end. At around 3 a.m. Eastern Time, reports came in about fog jump scaring people, which these humans die instantly in many areas across the planet. The fog, which was first reported in New York City, has spread across the United States and has been reported in many areas across the planet. It has been confirmed that an evil spirit has caused this fog to occur, which is the cause of all the jump scares occurring, which the people die by experiencing it. Because of this, there is no way to survive this heck of a nightmare. At this time, gather your friends, family, and pets in an underground shelter and brace for your eventual death. The EAS will conclude with one last playing of the national anthem. Please stand by as we conclude the final activation of the emergency alert system.
La 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 la.